Hi everyone, welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Hope you're doing well today. Well, I'm going to show you a couple things that on my previous videos I did these earrings, the Shelley Bloom technique, and they're wood. On this one I painted the back black on these, and then on this one I thought I would try some gold leaf, but I don't know which one I like best. The black's a little easier. I think it looks better actually. Anyway, I just wanted to show you them dry. Pretty cool. So these will be originals. These will be in my Etsy shop. They're $20 a pair. Unless you email me, then they'll be $18 a pair. So I'm going to be making some more. So keep checking my shop. If you look in the description, I'll have all my social sites, including the Etsy shop link. Another thing I wanted to show you was, the prior video was this Bling Glimmer Glam beautiful resin piece. So I had spray painted this gold before I started. I did the sides too. I spray painted them. But the tape leaked and I'm like, what am I going to do? So what I did was I just painted some Elmer's glue on there, sprinkled some sand, and then let that dry, and then I just painted it gold with a brush. Then I sealed it with some spray. I had the front taped off, and spray sealer varnish. So that's one thing you can do if you have tape that's leaked and you don't know what to do with your gallery wrapped big sides. This is on a canvas, so I just wanted to show you that. So today I'm going to be doing, I'm inspired by Z Gallery and Sherry Moulton. The links will be below, and I'm going to be doing a glitzy glam glitter on this 10 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. I had used this super chrome epoxy chrome finish spray paint. Super old. I have no idea where I got it. That's what I spray painted sides and the top with. I'm going to be laying down some resin. Then I have about 8 different kinds of broken glass, fire glass, glass that I made, chopping up from bigger pieces. I did it in the oven. So I'll go through all those as I lay them down. So right now I'm going to mix some resin, and I do have a mold ready. Always have something ready on the side. If you mix too much resin, I have no idea how much this is going to take. This is my first one. So I'll be going to mix some and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The resin I'm using today is called Utility Acrylic Pouring Resin. I've had this for a while by iCoat. So I thought I'd use that. The resin isn't really going to show on this, so if you have any old resin, this is a good way to use it up. And I don't really care much about the bubbles either, so I mix it in this silicone cup. It has some measurements on the side. I like to clean out the cup when the resin is still wet, rather than letting it dry, because it's just easier. I use hand sanitizer. It helps clean it, and some alcohol. So what I'm going to do is pour it across down the middle. I did tape the side just a little bit. I don't plan on getting it. You never know. You don't plan on it, but you never know what will happen. Okay. I mean, it's going to go down the side, but I can't put the glitter down the side. That's what I mean. So that way I taped it. If I was putting the glitter in, then not sure how much to use. So I'll just go for it. That might be plenty. Okay, I'm going to spread that with these foam brushes. You can get these at the dollar store. You get a package of 5 for $1. So I'm going to spread this out, making a design. I just make sure I never done this, so let's see how this goes. So while you're watching, if you don't mind subscribing, I would really appreciate it. I know there's a lot of you out there watching and you don't subscribe to channels, but it really helps the creators. So if you could do that, I would really appreciate it. And the notification bell for those of you already subscribed. When you go to your subscription and you want to watch your creators, sometimes you're not going to see the latest. There's still an algorithm on subscriptions, so when you go to look at them, you're not always going to see their latest creations. But if you push the notification bell, then the little bell at the top, and when you push subscriptions, you'll see their very latest videos. If you don't push that, then you're going to miss some. So I would really, really, really appreciate it. It's not going to text you or anything like that. It's not like it's going to text you when I do a video. But then you won't miss it. And if you haven't pushed the notification bell, go ahead and look back at some of my videos. You might have missed some. I'll just throw that brush away. You get 5 of them in a pack, so. Okay, so this first one is you get at the dollar store that you put it in flower vases. Well, and round marbles. There were some blue ones. I put them in the oven at about 400 for 25 minutes, and then I just put them in ice water right away, really cold ice water. And then I cracked it with a hammer, and that's what I got. So I'm going to go sort of with blue. So I want to use the bigger pieces first. And these are big, some of them. So I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know. Maybe too big. Oops. Move some of those back in there. That one I can take out. So I'm going to do the bigger pieces first. These are all pretty chunky, so I might be able to just have the bigger pieces here. Some of these, oh, that's too big. I think this is just a little bit more. It's not going to be even, which is fine. Whatever doesn't stick, I'm going to be brushing off tomorrow. So, all right, so this next one is I'm going to be doing is this brand. I got at Michael's. Decorative filler, and it's by Ashland. But it's in a blue tint. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that. So I want, like I said, I want to do the big pieces first. Okay, now I have some, that's the same brand, but this is just golden clear. Okay. And so next I'm going to go with, this is from Recollections. It's real pretty. So what I do is I make these little paper. It allows me to be able to control it a little better when I put it on. So let's see how this works here. This. Problem is, if I waste glitter, then when I dump it, it's all going to be together. So if I can control it a little bit, I won't waste so much. I think that's about all I want on there, I think. Well, actually I want a little bit more. I'm going to sprinkle on the middle. Okay. Alright, so that's that color. The next color is from, I think this is Laura's Corner, Sky Blue Glass Glitter. Very pretty. Color, this is Recollections again from Michael's. Now this blue, I have no idea what brand it is. I just have it in a little baggie. It's a darker blue. More than I want. Okay, next color is a more like a turquoise. So if you spread it out in here, it comes out a little slower than if you pile it on like I did the last color. Okay, next is almost done. This is Silver Pizzazz glass glitter from Laura's Corner. Really like this one. This is just so twinkly, shiny. I wanted to just, stick with blues on this one with the silver background. I thought that would really look classy. All right, I think that's it. Do we have any more? Well, I do, but I'm not going to use it. I think that's plenty. So let me take you up a little bit. There you go. I'll be back in the morning. We'll get all this loose glitter off and we'll see what we got. Hi everyone, it's the next day. So everything that's going to be stuck should be stuck. So I'm going to start by tilting everything off. Tap the back a little bit. So far that's not very much extra, I don't think. Okay, I want to go this way. Tilt it a little bit more. Beautiful. Now I'm going to use, this is a pretty soft brush. Just brush it a little bit. It seems like there's a few places stuck that I didn't want it to be stuck, but I think I'd be able to get those off. Another soft bristle brush. This way now. All right. Like I said, there's a couple spots I think I can just pick off. Other than that, I really love it. Very glitzy, glam. Please like and subscribe. Push that notification bell so you'll get to see all the videos I post. Have a good night. Keep on pouring. By the way, check out my Etsy shop. This will be in there. Or you can email me as I post this and save some money. Take care. Have a great night. Bye.